In a world obsessed with premium electric cars and futuristic promises, there exists another reality, quieter, smaller, and far more affordable. These are the vehicles designed not to impress highways, but to solve mobility at the most basic level. Today on TurboXcel, we explore the world's lowest budget electric vehicles, machines built on necessity rather than luxury. We begin in India, with the Terra Tiny. Once introduced as a revolutionary answer to affordable transportation, the Terra Tiny is a compact 4-seat electric car powered by a very small motor, typically rated between 1.5 to 3 kilowatts. Its top speed hovers around 40 to 50 kilometers per hour, with a claimed driving range of roughly 100 kilometers depending on battery configuration. Design-wise, it is unapologetically basic: tall stance, narrow body, minimal safety features. While it competed indirectly with the Tata Nano and low-speed EVs, verified sales data remains unclear. User feedback described it as economical but fragile, with experts noting that its biggest limitation was not ambition, but execution. As we move east to China, the narrative shifts from ambition to scale. The ChangLi Nemica is perhaps the most globally recognized ultra-cheap EV, often viral for its shockingly low price. Designed as a micro-city vehicle, it usually offers seating for 2 adults, a small electric motor under 5 kilowatts, and a realistic urban range between 50 and 120 kilometers. Its boxy, toy-like design hides a serious purpose: ultra-low-cost urban transport. Competing against China's massive mini-EV ecosystem, including higher-end micro-cars, ChangLi thrives in local neighborhoods. Owners report surprising reliability at low speeds, but experts warn it is unsuitable for open roads or mixed traffic. Following closely is the Minghong S1 Pro, another Chinese low-speed EV targeting the same audience. Slightly more refined in appearance, it offers compact dimensions, modest power, and claimed ranges similar to ChangLi. The experience, however, depends heavily on the supplier and build quality. Real-world users describe it as comfortable enough for short daily errands, while professionals emphasize inconsistent quality control and extremely limited crash protection. Then comes the Haibao Qiao, a vehicle that feels purpose-built for gated communities and industrial campuses. With a capped top speed near 45 km per hour and a simple 4-seat layout, it prioritizes affordability over sophistication. Design is purely utilitarian, and like its competitors, it operates in a regulatory gray zone. Sales figures are not publicly disclosed, but its presence on global low-cost EV lists confirms steady localized demand. Across all these vehicles, one truth becomes clear: they are not replacements for conventional cars. Owners appreciate the low running costs and simplicity, but safety, durability, and performance remain major concerns. Experts consistently agree, these EVs are mobility tools, not automotive solutions. And that's where TurboXcel steps in. We don't just showcase machines, we break down reality, cost, and consequence. If you value honest reviews, global auto insights, and content that separates hype from practicality, subscribe to TurboXcel, like this video, and stay connected. Because understanding mobility isn't about price alone, it's about purpose.